Now, unfortunately, most people are not me. And so there are plenty of times where I've seen computers that have been not so great handed out to people I know. And a little while ago, it came to my attention, my good friend Jack here has a computer. And it's abstract. It's a bit of a work of art. I'll give it that. And so we've got some parts here, and we're gonna fix up this PC. Originally, I thought it was just a quick swap out or two. We've got a bit of a beast. Do you want to explain how you got this one?
It was 2019. Or like 2020, so something like that. I used to be friends with someone, and then they were like learning PCs and stuff like that, and they were like, "Yo, I'm upgrading. You want my PC? I'll give it to you for a discount for what I bought it for." And I was like, "Yeah, sure. I trust you. I trust that you know what you're doing."
You shouldn't have.
I shouldn't have. I should not have. I should not have.
But that is, oh my god! I've just found that the Wi-Fi card isn't screwed in.
It isn't?
No, I've like just found that then.
I didn't know about that. You should show them the
Oh, true.
My favorite feature.
The graphics card holder that just isn't screwed in either. Love that.
Hey, to be fair, that was screwed in. It came out, and I lost the screw. That was my fault.
And so this computer, yeah, you got it in 2019. It's got an Ryzen 5 36, I believe.
Don't look at me like I know. I don't.
A GTX 1050 Ti, 16 gigs of RAM, 500 watt power supply. So like for 2019, it was decent. Not good, but decent. And you paid how much for it?
1,100. The original price I was meant to pay for it was 1,200, but he felt like that was too much, which was the first red flag.
Yeah. And so today we've got a few parts. We have an SSD at all.
Yay!
Because this is currently running on just solid state hard drive.
I used to think
good old spinning disk.
I used to think that you could only pick one or the other. I found out today actually that you can have both. When you were explaining it to me.
So we've got good old spinning disk in this computer. We've got an SSD, Ryzen 5 5700X. Bougie. We have a gigabyte GeForce RTX 3070, which is a massive jump from the 1050 Ti. Yippee! And we're going to be chucking it all in, doing a general maintenance on this computer. We've done some cleaning today. We'll do a little bit more, but we're going to do a general maintenance, general refurb, and get this computer up to scratch. Get it usable. It's going to hit the bare minimums.
Okay.
So
you don't need to insult her like that.
What do you think we upgrade first?
The fans. We should probably put the fans in the right direction.
Well, the first thing, if we're going to do the fans, we should figure out if this is going to fit. Our RTX 3070 is cutting it fine with the case. This is the computer. This is our 3070. I think it will fit if we move fans to fit it. Yes. And I'm really hoping the fans can go in here. You got this, I believe in you.
Wait, how do I do this?
You got this.
Do I just...
It's a side panel.
No, I don't just will it into... Oh! Trust me, I would have just pulled it.
Yeah, I heard the cracking, and I'm like, I've made a mistake.
Why would you trust me with that?
I don't know. I think it was the worst that could happen. This is one of the PC builds of all time.
Okay,
Bestie.
Look at how much better that is.
That's way better, actually. Touche.
Look at how much better that is. I also want to be able to open mine up.
Yeah, okay.
So it fits?
It does, yeah.
Will it function?
Should do. Huh.
Yay. I'm willing to let you take sandpaper to this.
No, it's the screws themselves.
You're kidding.
Yeah, no, okay. So there's a reason he didn't put it on the outside.
Oh.
Some cases let you do it, like mine does.
So what do we do now?
What we're gonna have to do.
Because we didn't really plan for this. There goes the screws.
Oh, I didn't need them. Okay, new plan. If we're gonna fit this RTX 3070 in, we are now doing the fans last because we're gonna have to screw them in around the graphics card. I'm gonna fix everything else first, and then we're going to pray that with enough shoving, the 3070 goes in. I think you'll need a new power supply because we don't have the cables for that modular one. Mm-hmm. And so I, my friend, have a gift for you.
A gift for me?
Yeah.
Are we doing an unboxing video?
A little bit.
Yay!
I have got a new Corsair power supply for you. Modular, 750 watt, major improvement. I'm going to start taking out your old power supply because I'm going to have to...
Bye-bye, spiderweb.
I want you to start opening up your new one. Well, there's nothing else in there.
You testing? Yo, does it fit?
Technically,
That is a perfect fit.
technically it fits. Next time anyone brings me anything computer-based, I'm just like, no,
You're not doing
too
it?
hard.
You could just charge the money. You can-
Charge him a dime a second. What happened to unboxing that power supply I told you about?
I was just wiping this first. Chill.
Oh, I've got places to be, Jack. Things to do. You know that this computer can do multiple RGB settings, right?
No!
It's got a controller in here.
He didn't tell me that! Yo! You mean I can make it pink?
Theoretically. It's only got presets, but like, as long as it's in the list of presets, then yeah.
Oh my god, free zip ties!
Yeah.
Yo, that's gas.
Because we will actually need them for cable management a bit later.
Whoa, you have a fan!
What? Yeah.
Whoa!
Give us the unboxing experience as someone who doesn't know what they're looking at.
It's big. It got a ship on it.
Okay.
There's a lot of cables. A lot of plastic. This is a lot of plastic. But actually, you know what? This is better packaged than other things I've seen. In fact, out of like everything that gets packaged, I think tech is pretty efficient at it.
It's not too bad, yeah.
Maybe not some things, but like this is not as much plastic as like some things I've unpacked before. You know?
Oh, damn.
Free zip ties. That's nice. I like that.
Mm-hmm.
Well, it wasn't free. I don't know how much you paid for this.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, you were way heavier than the last one. The other one, this is a brick.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so fancy. Danger, high voltage. You know what?
Your SSD is installed.
Oh, you did? Oh, okay. You're working. Oh, okay. You were doing okay.
Yeah.
Hold this.
I'm over here cooking. There's a peel if you'd like to do it.
Yes! I'm getting closer. Is that good? Is that good?
Yeah. Get your dirty tissues out of the way. I'm trying to be productive.
Dirty?
Yeah.
The whole point is that they're not.
Oh wait, that's your front audio panel.
Yo, so that wasn't plugged in?
That's why it wasn't. That's why you weren't getting audio. I've just done for you what the last person couldn't.
Put in the proper spouse away.
I just plugged your audio in at all. We're making progress.
Wow.
Where did my screwdriver end up? Oh. I might bestow another gift on you, actually.
Uh-huh. No, we'll get to unpackage something?
Not quite. Your CPU there,
Uh-huh.
I've just realized you're currently on an AMD basic cooler.
Mm-hmm.
It will not keep up with your new CPU, I don't think.
Oh. So we just keep adding to the list. This is a new PC. The PC of Theseus.
If you take enough bad parts out, at what point is it a new PC?
Yeah.
Well, okay.
It's still got the same case.
Your current cooler is not going to be able to handle your new CPU. But you know what? For the first time in my life, I'm going to go be a decent friend for a second. Bear with me. I would like to equip you with a brand new Hyper 212 Black.
Yay!
A new CPU cooler. It's still not as much as I would like to get onto a CPU like this, but it'll be better. You know, let's take the old stuff off first. We'll be taking out your current CPU and cooler.
Okay.
At least you've got RAM sorted. That's the biggest problem.
I got the one thing that has been price hiked up.
Yeah. 16 is tolerable.
What do you mean?
Nowadays, most people aim for 32 gigs. Take out your old CPU with little to no thermal paste on it.
How much little was on it?
Barely tell her there's any there.
Is that just because it went away over time, or?
Where would it go? That is the CPU with its current thermal paste. Not a lot. So we'll put in a brand new CPU, brand new thermal paste, and a brand new cooler for you. Do you want to put in your own CPU?
I've never done this before.
That's fine.
Can you trust me to do this?
Yeah.
How do I do this?
Ooh.
I know not to bend the pins.
Do you see a little triangle in any of these corners?
Yes, that one.
Do you see a triangle matching the CPU anyway? On the other side. On the thing you're holding.
Yes.
Where?
There.
Those two corners need to match.
So it needs to go this way.
Yes. And it should just rest in.
I'm so scared.
You got this. You got this. Give it a good shove and it'll go. and slots in. You then pull the arm down.
So there was no thermal paste on it.
Was it little to none?
I can screw now.
Yeah, because now you screw that into that.
Did that break anything?
I hope not.
I'm gonna kill myself.
I wouldn't recommend dropping the screwdriver. It's not generally advised.
I'm not onto the fucking RAM. Adam Driver should make his drag name Screwdriver.
You're onto something.
Expert PC gamers right here.
Yeah.
Can you do the rest?
Yeah, okay. You're a pro at work. So I'll keep progressing the build, you can keep dusting things.
This is progressing the build.
That is a perspective to look at it from.
Cause it's not clean, it won't work. If it's dusty, then it's gonna break. It's gonna go like a f***ing smoker.
This is like a goddamn... I feel like I'm rescuing a puppy from the shelter.
the PC or me?
Bit of both.
Okay.
It's time for the graphics card to go in.
Not yet. I need to clean.
What do you mean not yet?
Because that's so dusty and I don't want it to go on the graphics card.
Please, 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 please.
Whoa.
Please, 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 yes!
It fits! Okay,
She
that looks
fits.
cool. That looks cool.
It barely fits, but it fits.
But does it have RGB?
I really hope that that's not gonna...
Okay, move.
I need to plug in the... We're running out of time!
We're not running out of time.
I don't need it.
I was actually thinking of, upgrading, maybe to a new motherboard.
Well, you're a little late, buddy. Could have told me that before we plugged everything into the motherboard. That's when that would have been good information.
Can't you just plug the motherboard into the motherboard?
Just dual motherboard setup.
Dual motherboard. Okay.
Run the cables up through that top hole if you see it.
I'm good at running through a hole. I'm gonna run them in through, you grab, okay?
Okay.
Grab.
I grabbed. Instructions followed.
Screw. These ones, right? I put screw in, you screw. Okay, ready? Go.
Okay, hang on, I don't have a screwdriver.
Okay.
I can, if you just hold it, I can get it.
Yeah, we're doing it.
I like it, Picasso.
Now we have to figure out these two front fans.
Yeah. Is it just the fans we have to put back in?
Yeah, that's exactly what I'm saying. It's
We take break for cat.
cat break.
El cato.
This is an airflow nightmare.
Yeah, it really is.
This is not healthy for the machine, but it will be fine.
For now.
Was it? No, it'll be fine. Like, this isn't like a deal breaker.
It's not gonna kill it in 10 years. It won't take life off the PC.
No.
Okay, then we're good. I clean. Why? Well, PC man, do PC thing.
Why won't I shove and it no go?
You shove and it no go.
I shove and it no light.
You got a full play gang.
It's inefficient. I just want to be able to shove and go.
That's if she's into that, sure.
We're gonna have to plug it in and see if it works. I will confess something to you as we're setting up to test.
Yeah.
I have a concern.
Uh-huh.
I'm concerned that AMD, they wanted to support their CPUs for a long time. So what they did is that they would have motherboards that would be compatible if you updated the motherboard. But usually in order to update the motherboard, you have to have a compatible CPU in.
Uh-oh.
So you have a BIOS flashback, which is good, which means we can sidestep that, but we may have to update your BIOS if it doesn't fire.
That's fine. We can do that.
Well, I think everything's good to go.
Can I do the honors?
We just lost the gimbal. I have now got the phone. Do the honors, turn her on.
Did you turn it on, the power?
Power's on, because monitor's on. I turned off the power switch on the computer itself.
Oh! Don't do that to me. Oh, it would also help if you plugged it in.
Is it not even plugged in?
No.
Okay, so I turned off the power switch and I didn't even think to plug it in.
Turns out you're an idiot.
Yeah.
Okay, so you were just a dumb.
Yeah, okay, I'm just an idiot. Please give us visuals.
What is that? Why is it breathing like that?
Is it gonna give us visuals?
Oh.
Yes! We don't have to update the BIOS. Oh, okay. Now we install Windows.
Yay! Yay!
Yippee!
One of the. Oh.
We're in.
What the f is this?
Welcome to your BIOS.
Like a 2000s website.
I just want to figure out how to get your RAM speed right. Let's try this and let's install Windows. This is the fun bit of building computers.
The actual tech side of things.
Yeah.
The actual how the f we tell computer do thing.
Yeah, exactly.
Yay!
Yeah, there it That's the Windows 11 one, because we'll beat you into Windows 11. We'll install Windows and cut back. Okay, gimbal died. We're running on fumes. It's like almost midnight. But the computer's built. It's looking really good. It's way prettier now. Actually got the front RGB going. 3070, proper tower cooling. Everything's actually set up properly. Got Windows on it. Are you happy with your PC?
I can play GTF right now.
Yippee! But that's PC built, mission accomplished. Sadly, I didn't get to do any benchmarking or testing on it, but let's do it. I'll tell you, it'll be much faster than a 1050. It is not perfect still. It's got its issues, like it should be on an NVMe SSD probably, not a SATA one, but it's way better than it was. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. I'm a small content creator. It would help out a ton. We've got Spooky Lemon on Instagram. Check out for art stuff. It'll be linked in the description. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please make sure you catch other ones. It's good fun. See you in the next one.